Good morning, children. Therefore, already one class over, that is the construction of coordinator. Again, next class also, that is the construction of coordinator, that is the exercise 4, 3.4. Therefore, here HE equal to 6 centimeters is given, EL equal to 4.5 centimeters, angle H equal to 60 degrees is given, angle E equal to 105 degrees is given, angle P equal to 120 degrees is given, 3 angles is given and 2 sides is given. Measure the, that is the fourth angle. Okay. Therefore, sum of the angles in a quadrilateral. Sum of the angles in a quadrilateral. That equal to 360 degrees. Here, angle H, angle E plus angle P, angle L equal to, that is 360 degrees. Okay. Therefore, next one is H equal to how much is given, that is 60 degrees is given. Therefore, next one angle E equal to 105 degrees is given. Angle P equal to 120 degrees is given. Therefore, angle L equal to 360 degrees. Here 120, 60, that is 180. 180 plus this is 180 plus 105, that is 285 plus angle L equal to, that is 360 degrees. Therefore, angle L equal to 360 minus 285 degrees. That equal to how much? Yeah, subtraction 360 and 285. Here 10, 5, 5, 15, 7, that is 75 degrees. Okay, therefore measure the angle L equal to 75 degrees. Next, first rough diagram. Rough diagram. First, draw a line segment HE, that equal to 6 centimeters. Next, take E at the center, measure the angle 105. 105. Take E at the center, measure the angle 105 degrees. 105 degrees. Next, take E at the center, draw the arc with 4.5 centimeters. That is 4.5 centimeters. Okay. Next, take H at the center, measure the angle 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Okay. Next, take L at the center, measure the angle 75 degrees. Take L at the center, measure the angle. Therefore, here is 75 degrees. Here is 60 degrees. Here compulsory 120 degrees. Therefore, help. Construction quadrilateral is help. Quadrilateral help. Okay. Quadrilateral help. H equal to 6 centimeters, EL equal to 4.5 centimeters, angle H equal to 60 degrees, angle E equal to 105 degrees, angle P equal to 120 degrees. Sum of the angles in a quadrilateral that equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, here 3 angles is going to find the fourth angle. Angle H, angle E, angle P, angle L. That is sum of the angles in a quadrilateral that equal to 360 degrees. Angle H equal to 60, angle E equal to 105, angle P equal to 120, angle L equal to 360. So, if you always simplify, angle L equal to 75 degrees. Next, the main diagram. Main diagram. Therefore, first, by using the scale, draw a line segment that is 6 centimeters. So, draw a line segment that is HE, that equal to 6 centimeters. Next, by using the protractor, measure the angle. Measure the angle that is 105 degrees. 105 degrees. This is 90 degrees. This is 100. This is 105. -5 degrees. Take any name. Next, by using the compass, therefore draw a arc with 4.5 centimeter. By using the scale and compass, therefore take E at the center. Take E at the center. Draw the arc with 4.5 centimeters. The point is L. The point is L. That is 4.5 centimeters. Therefore, here is 105 degrees. Next, by using the protractor, therefore take H at the center, measure the angle 60 degrees. Measure the 60 degrees. Therefore, measure the angle 60 degrees. Therefore, draw a ray. The point is to take Y. Therefore, this is 60 degrees. Next one is take L as the center, measure the angle by using the protractor only. Therefore, take L as the center, measure the angle 75 degrees. 75 degrees. That is Z. Therefore, here angle is 120 degrees. Here angle is 75 degrees. See 105, 75. That is here 60. Total 360 degrees. See one more time, all of you. Main diagram. First, draw a line segment HE by using the scale only. Therefore, that is 6 centimeters. Take E at the center, measure the angle. That is 105 degrees. Take E at the center, measure the angle 105 degrees. Next, take E at the center, draw the arc with 4.5 centimeters. The ray and arc are intersecting one point. The point is L. The point is L, 4.5 centimeters. The next one is take H at the center, measure the angle 60 degrees. Take H at the center, measure the angle 60 degrees. Therefore, draw a ray. That name is HY. Next, take L at the center, measure the angle, that is 75 degrees. Take L at the center, measure the angle 75 degrees. Therefore, draw a ray. The ray name is Z, LZ. Therefore, the two rays are intersecting one point. The point is P. The point is P. Therefore, form a required quadrilateral help. HELP, help. Okay. First, draw a line segment HE 6 cm. Take E at the center, measure the angle 105 degrees. Take E at the center, draw the arc with 4.5 cm. Take L at the center, measure the angle 75 degrees. Draw a ray, that is Z. Take H at the center, measure the angle 60 degrees. Draw a ray. The two rays are intersecting one point. The point is P. Therefore, form a required quadrilateral help. HELP, help. Okay. Construction steps, write your own. That is construction steps, write your own. Next, 3.5 exercise, that is question number B. Quadrilateral lamp which AM equal to MP equal to PL 5 centimeters, M equal to 90 degrees, angle P equal to 60 degrees. Here quadrilateral lamp AM equal to MP equal to PL equal to 5 centimeters, angle M, angle P equal to, rough diagram. First lamp is given, therefore AM, first draw AM. Next one is take M at the center, measure the angle 90 degrees, draw a ray. Next MP, therefore take M at the center, draw the arc with 5 centimeters, the point is P, that is 5 centimeters. Okay. Next take P at the center, draw the arc with 60 degrees. Next take A at the center. Next take P at the center, draw the arc with 5 centimeters. Therefore the point join this one. The point is L, lamp LAMP. Therefore this is 5 centimeters. This is also 5 centimeters. Here AL. Therefore your angle is 60 degrees. That is a rough diagram. Okay. First draw main diagram. That is very easy. Constructions are very easy, and in exam also that is a 8 marks question. Any exam that is 8 marks, FA exam that is 4 marks question, and that is summative exams or any other exam that is a 8 marks question. Summative 1, summative 2 or whatever it may be, free final. Okay, first draw a line segment that is 5 centimeters by using the scale. That is AM, that equal to 5 centimeters. Take M at the center. Take M at the center. Measure the angle 90 degrees. Okay, therefore join this one. This is X, therefore that is your angle is 90 degrees. Next, here AM equal to 5 centimeters. Take M at the center, draw the arc with take M at the center, draw the arc with 5 centimeters. The point is P. This is 5 centimeters. That is 5 centimeters. Next one, take P at the center, draw here, take here 60 degrees. Therefore this side is there. Therefore draw the arc that is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Next take P at the center, draw the arc with 5 centimeters. Already here MP is 5 centimeters. Take P at the center, draw the arc with 5 centimeters. That is 5 centimeters. Join AL. Therefore lamp LAMP, lamp, that is here 5, 60 and 90. One more time, see main diagram, this one. First one, draw a line segment that is 5 centimeters. Okay. Next, take M at the center, measure the angle that is 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Next one is take M at the center, draw the arc with 5 centimeters. The ray and arc are intersecting one point. The point is P. The point is P. Next, take P at the center, measure the angle that is 60 degrees. Draw a ray. The ray is PY. The ray is Py. Next, take P as the center, draw the arc with 5 centimeters. Take P as the center, draw the arc with 5 centimeters. The arc and ray intersecting one point. The point is L. Join AL or LA. Therefore, form a required quadrilateral lamp. 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 Okay. One more time. See. Therefore, first draw a line segment AM, that is 5 centimeters. Take M at the center, measure the angle 90 degrees. Take M at the center, draw the arc with 5 centimeters. The ray and arc are intersecting one point. The point is P. Therefore, next take P at the center, measure the angle 60 degrees. Therefore, draw a ray, that is PY. Therefore, next take P at the center, draw the arc with 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Therefore, the ray and arc are intersecting one point. The point is N. Therefore, join LA or AL. Therefore, form a required quadrilateral lamp. LAMP lamp. Okay. Write your steps to your own. Steps are very easy. What we are doing, that one write down. Okay. Okay. Next one. That is last one. That is 3.6. Here rhombus slope with SA equal to 4.3 centimeters and OP equal to, that is 5 centimeters. Here SA, that is one diagonal, and OP also one diagonal. Two diagonals is given. Okay. Therefore, first draw a any one diagonal. Your side, that is SA. That is 4.3 centimeters. Test. Take A at the center by using the compass more than half of the distance. Draw a arc up and down. Take A at the center, same radius. Draw the arc up and down. Okay. Therefore, the point is some x. Here SA is divided into two equal points. That is 2.15, 2.15. Okay. This is 2.15 SX and XY also 2.5. Next, OP equal to, that is 5 centimeters is given. Okay, that is 2.5. Here, take this as it 2.5. Here also 2.5. Join. The point is here, this is 5 centimeters. Okay, that is the rough diagram. In a rhombus, diagonals are not equal. See, 4.3 and 5 centimeters. Yes, sir. Next, main diagram. First, by using the scale, first draw a line segment, that is 4.3 centimeters. Yes, A, that is 4.3 centimeters. Next, by using the compass, therefore you have seen here more than half is there. We have draw one arc up and down also. up and down. Same radius, there is no change. Take A at the center, draw the arc up. Same radius, there is no change. Therefore, down also same. Two arcs. Therefore, join these two by using scale only. Here the point is x. Here Sx equal to 2.15 and here also 2.15 centimeters. Okay. Next one is here OP equal to, that is 5 centimeters is given. Therefore divide by 2, that is 2.5. 2.5. Therefore here take x at the center, draw the arc up one arc and same down also one more arc. One more arc. That is 2.5. This is point is O. This point is P. Join by using scale. SO, OA, AP and SP. Therefore, SOAP, soap. That is a rhombus. Okay? We have see one more time. Here, first draw a line segment SA, that is 4.3 centimeters. 4.3 centimeters. Next one is by using compass. Therefore, here total distance is 4.3. Therefore, more than half means that is, we take your side, that is more than half. Therefore, draw up one arc and down one more arc. With the same rate, there is no change. Therefore, take here the center, draw the arc up and down. Two arcs are intersecting, one point here, one point. Therefore, join the two points. Okay, join the 2 points. Here SA is divided into 2 equal parts. Therefore, there is a bisector divided into 2 equal parts. Sx equal to 2.15, Xa equal to 2.15. Okay, next one here. Second diagonal is OP equal to 5 centimeters. Therefore, that is divided by 2 means that is 2.5 and 2.5. Yes, sir? Therefore, take X as the center, draw the arc with 2.5 centimeters by using compass only. 2.5 up and 2.5 down. Therefore, the point is O and the point is P. Join SO and OA and AP and SP. Form a required quadrilateral SOAP. SOAP SOAP. Okay, that is the SOAP SOAP. One more time, see. Here, first draw a line segment SA, that is 4.3 centimeters. Take S at the center, more than half of the distance of SA. Draw the arc up and down. With the same rate, there is no change. Take A at the center, draw the arc up and down. Here, two arcs are intersecting one point. Here also two arcs are intersecting one point. Join the 2 points. Therefore, here SA is divided into 2 equal parts. That is the bisector. Therefore, that is Sx equal to 2.5. Here also Xa equal to 2.5. Therefore, okay. Next, take X at the center. Here OP equal, that is 5 centimeters is given. Therefore, divide into 2 equal parts. That is OP by 2. OP by 2 equal, that is 5 by 2. That equal to 2.5 centimeters. 2.5 centimeters. So take X at the center, draw the arc with 2.5 centimeters up and take X at the center, 2.5 down. The point is O, here the point is P. Therefore, join SO, OA, AP and SP. Therefore, form a rhombus. SOAP SOAP. SOAP SOAP. Okay? Understand? Understood everybody? This is very easy chapter, construction solid. By using the geometry box, this is very easy chapter. Okay? Everyone practice this one. Therefore, easy chapter, that is very easy. Everyone practice. I gave worksheets also, 1 or 2 worksheets is there. Practice that one. Okay? Thank you.